Hello once again, everybody. Welcome back to Knox Asian Recipes. Today she's making stir-fry veggies with tofu and pineapple. And like with most great food, it not only tastes good, but it looks good. And Knox starts by peeling the pineapple. She has a great way to take out the eyes, as you can see here. She has another video about this, but it minimizes the waste. It's very quick, and you end up with just the pineapple. So she'll cut it into chunks and take out the core. Okay, pineapple's ready. Now it's on to sweet pepper. She's got 3 big bell peppers. She'll use a half of each yellow, red, and green for the visual effect. And they're also delicious and nutritious and give a crunch to this dish. And now she's going to prepare some tomato. She's got half of a large tomato that she's going to use for this dish today. So far then, pineapple, sweet peppers, and tomato. And now for complexity of flavor, she's using 3 fresh mushrooms. These are fresh shiitake mushrooms. And now for wonderful flavor in this dish, she's got some sauces here. She's got mushroom sauce, and she's got some tomato sauce, and she's got some chili sauce as well. So she's going to combine the 3 and mix them up. Just put the tomato sauce right into the mushroom sauce. She's got about 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. You can use as much as you want. And now she's going to mix that together. So all the ingredients ready to go, plus some tofu that's been pre-fried, and she's off to the wok then to heat up a little bit of oil and just start adding the vegetables. So next she'll add her tofu and mix that together, cook it up just a little bit. Very shortly she'll turn off the heat, and then she'll be ready to plate it on a bed of lettuce. So another simple and great dish by Knock. This one is wonderful. It's very quick, just the time it takes you to chop the vegetables. Thanks for watching. Bon appetit.